Stuck at home and want to learn how to increase the value of your home? Then you're going to want to watch this. Hi, I'm Rachel.Bodner from Coldwell Banker and realestateofmass.com, and I hope you're all safe and well and okay while sheltering at home. It is times like these where we learn how much we either love our homes or realize what we might want to do to make them better. I'm excited to promote a book that I've been working on over the past year called Tips to Improve the Value of Your Home. I am giving e-copies of the book away free today. In this book, I will teach you all the different things that you can do to increase the value of your home when you go to sell, even if it's not for many years. There are 4 things you need to think about before you decide to renovate. Number 1, when are you planning to sell? Are you looking to renovate specifically to make money when you sell, or are you planning to stay in your home for a while and enjoy the renovations first? This is an important distinction because if you're doing this specifically to sell, you want to make sure that you're using colors and materials that most buyers are looking for. Your selection should be as neutral as possible, but also keeping a specific budget in mind. Number 2, what is the value of your home? Your budget should be in line with the value of your home. Now, if you own a home in a lower price range, you want to make sure that you don't over-improve it so that you can't recoup your money. So I would be happy to help answer that question with an analysis. Just let me know. Number 3, and one of the most important questions, is where to best spend your money to get the best ROI, or return on investment. You may already know that kitchen and baths give the most return on investment. But again, you want to keep in mind the first 2 questions. How long do I want to stay in my home? And what is my home worth? Number 4, what will my budget be? Home renovation projects can easily get out of hand. So I always recommend planning up front and staying within your plan. If you're thinking of making improvements to your home, get in touch with me and I'd be happy to walk through your home either with FaceTime or Skype. I've done this recently with sellers and it works quite well until things get back to normal. Now don't forget to click on the link below and I'll send you an e-copy of my book. I look forward to speaking with you. Again, I'm Rachel.Bodner from Coldwell Banker and realestateofmass.com. Stay safe. Until next time.